This over here is your living and dining area, and this straight fitted granite slab right into the kitchen is a pretty good size for a bedroom. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottommost price guarantee. Unlike other real estate platforms जहाँ पे जब आप करते हैं एक inquiry आपको आते हैं multiple calls from multiple brokers, at Housey ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे हम आपका कनेक्ट करवाते हैं सीधे डेवलपर के साथ और भी काफी कुछ करते हैं हम, जैसे कि आज मैं एकता कपूर आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक खूबसूरत सा designer exclusive sample flat ka video which is at this project which is called as Vision Vanessa. The best part about this project is that it is a low density limited edition project. That means you will get exclusive designer homes. Let's go inside and see it. इनसाइड की तो बात हम करते ही रहेंगे, पर लेट मी ऑल्सो टेल यू कि एक्सटीरियर में भी आपको ये टेक्सचर वाला सारा का सारा एक्सटीरियर वॉल्स मिलेंगी. और यहाँ हम आ जाते हैं right inside the 1423 square feet apartment. Now once we come inside, of course, there is a digital door lock for your safety and security, and this whole foyer area. Now the length of this foyer area is 7.4 by 6.1 square feet, which can accommodate your shoe racks or your storage units and your cabinets as well. Aiye, please let's go inside and let's see how beautiful the house is. This over here is your living and dining area, which is of approximately 22 by 15 square feet. As you can see, it has been very well divided into living and dining separately, despite being one single unit of a complete rectangular patch, which does not have any dead ends or any dead places. Now let's go and see the balcony. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया that this is 22 by 15. So your balcony also has to be of the same width, right? So the balcony is also of 15 by 5 square feet and it is right over here. इसकी width जो है वो 5 है, लेकिन length जो है वो आपके living room जितनी है. It is covered from the top with a wooden finish and it has wall on one side and a toughened glass railing on the other side. Also the flooring is anti-skid if you noticed. Now this opens with these really big sliding windows over here, as you can already see, and half of it also has this mosquito net. So now let's proceed into the kitchen. Because this whole area is so spacious, that's the reason even the kitchen has been given in an open kitchen format, which is of 10 by 11.10. So you can say 10 by 12 square feet. Comes with this service table right over here, which can also be utilized as a mini dining table, and this straight fitted granite slab right into the kitchen. Now if we move ahead a little, we will notice that the flooring changes. That's because there's a 3 mm tile drop and it becomes an anti-skid flooring because this is your dry utility area. And this is of approximately 10 by 6.9 square feet. It comes with your utensil sink and also good space for your washing machines, dishwashers, and a very big window for ventilation and store and for light also. And here is another additional area, which is a storage room, which is of approximately 3.10 by 7.2 square feet. So if you were wondering that how come a 3 BHK is 1423 square feet, here is the reason. As you can see, everything has been utilized very well. अब हम बढ़ने वाले हैं towards the bedrooms, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आपको कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ. Housey is India's only online platform जहाँ पर हम आपको दिखाते हैं sample flat के videos, उसी के साथ साथ actual location tours, 360 degree tours, pros and cons videos and also project overview videos. So इन सभी के जरिए आपको पता चलता है कि ये अपार्टमेंट अंदर से कैसा है, बाहर से कैसा है, इसमें क्या पॉजिटिव्स हैं, इसमें क्या नेगेटिव्स हैं, और तो और आपको ये भी पता चलता है कि इस प्रोजेक्ट में क्या अमेनिटीज है, इसकी लोकेशन एग्जैक्टली कहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे नज़दीक में कौन सा डीमार्ट है, कौन सा कॉलेज है, कौन सा स्कूल है. ये सब आपको पता चलता है एक चैनल पे, और उस चैनल का नाम है हाउजी. अब अगर आप ये जानना चाहते हैं कि भाई बाकी की प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में कैसे पता करें, बहुत सिंपल है. आपको करना है सब्सक्राइब बहुत जल्दी, और उसी के साथ साथ नीचे कैप्शन में दिया हुआ है एक लिंक. You have to very quickly click on that link so that you can register yourself on Housey, and then we can help you find your dream home. We'll very quickly go and do that, and then I'm going to proceed towards the master bedrooms and the other bedrooms of the house. चलें फिर बाकी के घर में. यहाँ से आपके डाइनिंग एरिया से हम जा रहे हैं towards the rest of the house. But let's not miss out on the beautiful Puja Ghar, which is of another 4.2 by 4 square feet unit. And over here in this aisle area is the common washroom, which is of 4.1 by 7.7 square feet, comes with designer granite tiles on the wall and also anti-skid tiles on the flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now here are your 3 bedrooms which have been clustered together. So let's quickly take a look at your bedroom number 1, which is of 10 by 11 square feet, and it comes with a really big size window right over here, which allows in the perfect ventilation and the perfect lighting. Half is a fixed one and half is a sliding one. As you can already see that they have also provided you with a mosquito net right over here. Let's go and check out the next bedroom of the house. Here are the remaining 2 bedrooms. First we'll check out the 3rd bedroom and then we'll go to the master bedroom. This bedroom is of approximately 13.10 by 11 square feet and has an additional toilet and wash also to it, which is of approximately 5 by 7.7 square feet. 14 by 11 almost is a pretty good size for a bedroom, and it also comes over here again with a similar big window that comes with a mosquito net over here. And because this is fixed and half of it is sliding, the standing balcony feel of course cannot be missed. And now something that should not be missed, that is the master bedroom of this designer exclusive 3 BHK apartment, which is of 1423 square feet. As you can already see that we have seen the house which is already so big, and what could be special in the master bedroom? Well, walk in with me into the walk-in wardrobe right over here inside your master bedroom. Now this is the walk-in wardrobe, and that over there you can see is the attached toilet and wash, which comes with shower glass curtain and also with granite anti-skid tiles on the floor, and also a seat right inside the shower room. This bedroom is of approximately 11 by 15 square feet and it also has its very own balcony. आइए देखते हैं. This balcony, which is of 7.1 by 5 square feet, should open, is also covered from 2 sides. The ceiling has been given of wooden finish and the flooring is anti-skid. The same texture that we saw outside on the exteriors has been provided over here also, and a toughened glass railing as well. अरे आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? रुकिए रुकिए रुकिए, जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और जाके बाकी के वीडियोस भी देखिए ताकि आप जल्दी से फाइनल कर सकें आपका ड्रीम होम. तब तक let me indulge into this beautiful house. Thank you.
So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Vanessa, located in Ravet, Pune by Vision Creative Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.